Hey guys, it's Aaron and Tracy here.
Hi!
This morning we are waking up to Key West.
And the roosters.
Yes. Yeah. As you know, Key West has lots of chickens running around, so we can hear them in the background. But yeah, we are enjoying our day here so far. It's morning, but yeah, we're going to be taking off and walking through Key West. We'll show you what that kind of entails.
Yeah, we have a few other adventures that we'll be showing as well, but
today we'll just show you our walk through town.
Yeah, but before we get started, I would love to ask you if you would please subscribe. There's a subscribe button. If you just push it, it's free to everybody, and we would really appreciate your support.
Yes. So with that, let's get started. All right, so now we're approaching Duval Street, and down that way is southernmost point, the buoy down there. We're gonna do that another time, but now we're gonna head this way and go to one of our favorite stores, Ron Jon. And then
there's a big puddle across the street.
So we'll hit Ron Jon and then go towards that Sunset Pier down there and show you that. It's pretty early, so stores are closed. It's like what, 9:30?
Yeah, 20 till.
Yeah. We're passing by like a lot of souvenir shops and occasional restaurant bar.
Look how beautiful that church
Oh yeah.
is. Wow.
It's a beautiful building, yeah. Wow.
Look at this big store. I just love all the patios. All the
Oh, yeah.
restaurants.
Lots of outdoor dining here.
Yeah.
This is the Grand Cafe.
Correct. Oh, that sounds good.
Across the street is a Hard Rock. I like how these restaurants and stuff are set up in like house type of buildings.
Yes.
Old
Key West houses.
Yeah.
And they've turned them into bed and breakfast restaurants.
Which,
Like
by the way, we're staying at a bed and breakfast.
Yeah, and it's from like the 1863. The Marrero family lived there.
Yeah. Which is, it's called the Marrero's Guest Mansion.
Yeah. A little shopping back there.
A little shopping back there. I don't know what this place is called though. Oh, Caroline's. It's called Caroline's. Fat Tuesdays is across the street. Not open yet. Again,
Yeah,
it's
I
early.
was just gonna say it's early. We wanted to come and show you when there wasn't like
Yeah.
a bazillion people out. Fritters, babe.
The Caroline's menu.
You love conch fritters.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they have broccolini, your favorite.
Yeah.
Put it on a pizza.
Yep, you can rent mopeds here, obviously. You can rent all sorts of things here. Mopeds, golf carts, e-bikes.
I smell bacon. Fogarty's is a good place. We've eaten there before.
So yeah, this is where it starts getting a little more busy.
Yeah. This is like the heart of Duval Street right here.
We're just getting into it. All right. Oh, it's not open yet, though. like one of our favorite bars over there.
Yes,
The-
my favorite bar in the whole wide world.
So if we get past this van, we'll show you it's a place called the Flying Monkey Bar. Flying Monkeys, I should say. Similar to Fat Tuesdays, except our opinion, their drinks are better.
Yeah, and it's not, but it's like real ice cream and real bananas
they
and
put-
real food
yeah.
in it.
Like, yeah. More souvenir shops. Oh, this one's open though.
I know.
And Flamingo, your favorite.
I love flamingos.
That's a cute name for a restaurant. It's Lucy's Retired Surfer Bar and
We've
restaurant.
eaten in there before too.
And we have eaten in there. It's a good place.
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah.
And the stinking crawfish.
Oh yeah. We have not been there. All right. We've been in that place a long time ago.
Yeah.
A few years back. It's Irish Kevin's Bar. It's a
I
fun
think
bar.
we'll go to that later, maybe. I
It's
think
a-
we've been in that.
It's yeah, obviously Irish bar. Again, this is like the heart of
Look at the husband daycare center. That's funny. The Red Garter Saloon.
awesome.
The treehouse. This is a.
This is
great-
Dirty Harry's
Well, this is the treehouse. The
and
tree
the
bar.
Tree Bar, yes. We'll probably hit that one tonight.
Yeah, and this is Big Mike's favorite place. So, and then there's a place down here that's a dance club.
Yeah, you go down further, there's like
Yeah,
a
there's
club.
dance club down there.
Obviously it's closed now, but at night it's a fun area. We'll have to make a whole nother video on it at nighttime.
Yeah. Yeah, this place is crazy.
Rick's Bar, we were there
Last night.
last night.
And then they've got amazing pizza here.
Yes.
It's great
So-
when you're at Rick's, because you usually hit Rick's and you had a few.
So yeah, Rick's is a good place. And the world famous Sloppy Joe's. That's a happening place at night. I mean, really, this is like the central part of Duval Street.
Yes.
And
We're green.
we'll cross over. I'm going to show you something. Oh, you can't see it, but back that way is Mallory Square. It's where boats and
The
ships
ships.
come in, cruise ships come in.
Yeah, we'll walk over there maybe later.
And you can also go over there and watch a beautiful sunset.
That is the place to watch the sunset. Again, there's another bar over there.
Yeah, more bars. And
Beer is my superpower. That's hilarious.
all right, go down here a little further. Yeah, I don't know what time these places open, but it's almost, well, I think it is 10. Harley Davidson store. The old Customs House Inn, smallest bar in, huh? Nice. Got a menu. Just get an idea what they have. Cool. shack. I've heard good reviews here.
Yeah, we'll have to have fritters here.
Yeah, we're gonna come back and try the conch fritters.
And then Hog's Breath is back there. That's
Oh, okay. Yeah, this place I think gets happening at night.
Yes.
So back there is Hog's Breath. So we got this part closed, looks like for construction. Still on Duval Street. Oh, there's...
We'll have to go down there too.
Yeah. Going to Ron Jon right now. Well, that looks fun. World famous conch tour train. All right. All right, so now we're going to the Ron Jon shop because this is our
addiction.
Our addiction, yes. All right, so we're back on Duval after leaving Ron Jon store, which is
with a bag full of goodies.
our usual
$80
$80 purchase. Yeah.
You know, one thing I do have to say about the Ron Jon store, it's quality clothes and it's not that expensive.
Right. Oh, so now we're walking by the Pier house. It's a nice hotel.
Yes.
Never stayed there, but looks super nice. I don't know what this one is. Oh, this is Spa Terre. Oh, there it is, Sunset Pier. That's where I wanted to go out and look at real quick.
I also want to check out the glass bottom boat and see the times and the price and the days and all that good
Right.
stuff. I'm sure.
So there's a pier in the background. I'll go over there in just a second. It's actually part of a restaurant. Okay, so right now we are Sunset Pier. Very nice.
It's huge.
Oh yeah. If you want to do an excursion, you can do the glass bottom boat. You can do jet skis.
Which would be totally fun because the waters are not choppy.
See some of those catamarans in the background. Oh, can we see anything down there? Yeah, I love this view.
I was just can say. I don't know how many pictures I have of this, but we're gonna have a few more.
Down towards that way is Mallory Square. Probably a good time to jet ski.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is I guess this would be the north end of the Key West. Alright, you guys, so that's been our little walkthrough to Duval Street, and yeah, here Sunset Pier, enjoying the view. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what you saw. Let us know what you think down in the bottom. Any questions, comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching.